Day 27 is right here. And today we're gonna learn that a green smoothie that tastes good doesn't have to be complicated. We're gonna literally use 2 ingredients. We're gonna use a bunch of basil and some watermelon. Here I have some watermelon already prepared with the rind removed. I'm gonna throw it in, seeds and all. And then I'm just gonna start taking the basil leaves off the stem. I know in previous videos I didn't do this, but because this is gonna be kind of a summery smoothie, like a mojito, I find it nice to underblend these smoothies a little bit. And in that case, the stems do get a little in the way. So for this smoothie, remove the stems off the basil. On a nice hot summery day, this smoothie is what's up. And because we have our watermelon, we might not need to use any water at all. We're about to find out. Lid goes on. Oh, optional. If you want to add ice to this, that makes it quite delicious. Because it's not hot right now where I live, I'm not going to put ice in this smoothie. I'm going to drink this one at roughly room temperature. That's not a nutritional thing, that's just a personal preference. Here we go. Let's give it a jiggle and see how it does with no water. I might have not cut up enough watermelon. Well, if that's the case, at home, use more watermelon. See? Yep. I fumbled this one, didn't I? So this is a 2 ingredient smoothie. Let's see how it tastes. Delicious, divine. With like a little umbrella in the backyard of your house. Big hit, I guarantee it.